Hi friends, so tonight in the kitchen I am making some garlic butter pork chops as well as some Cajun Alfredo pasta. This is a quick recipe that I do if it's a time where I have to go to work and I want to do something quick at home. So basically you want to gather the seasonings that you see on the screen. That's Italian seasoning, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, paprika, as well as an all-purpose seasoning. I have rinsed off some pork chops and I have seasoned them with what you just saw on the screen. I saute my pork chops using olive oil. You're gonna saute those for about 5 minutes on medium heat on each side. And if you have a few batches like I do, you want to put them all in the skillet, cover them, and simmer them on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Now what we have here is some Barilla spaghetti. I'm using the thin version, so it's like having angel hair pasta, but just a little bit thicker. So I'm going to use the package directions. I'm going to boil some water and I'm going to place the pasta in there and cook it for about 7 minutes and take it out and drain it. Now, while that is happening, I'm going to get my Alfredo pasta sauce together. And to do that, I'm going to add in some butter, some minced garlic, bell peppers, Italian seasoning, chicken bouillon, Cajun seasoning, and some bell peppers. After sauteing that, I'm adding in some heavy cream as well as some milk. I'm going to whisk that so all the seasonings are melting together. And as that's simmering, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese to that too, and that's just a regular grated Parmesan. So again, whisk it so that everything can remain smooth. The next thing I'm adding is some pesto sauce. So this is something that you can add or you can skip it. It's definitely not necessary. I just want to try it. Did it enhance the flavor? Yeah, a little bit. So if you want to try it, you can do that too. So as this sauce is simmering, I'm going to add my spaghetti noodles to it, and just, keeping some of that pasta water there. I didn't pour any in there, but I'm just letting it drip off into that sauce. So yeah, you want to stir that sauce around into it, and that's pretty much it. I will have the ingredients to this on the video description as well as on my website. I do have a variation of this. If you look up like Cajun Alfredo pasta on my website at plussizeinchicago.com, you will also see that too. So yeah, this is how it looks once it's done. And it was very, very tasty. So again, this is a very simple recipe to do if you are coming home to cook after work. So as this is done now, we're gonna go and check on the pork chops. So those have been simmering for 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna take the top off. I'm gonna use some garlic butter. You can use whatever brand of garlic butter that you have around. And just place a little bit on each pork chop. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. And that's it. That is your dinner. So something that's nice and quick that you can have when you get home from work. And it's a very tasty dinner. I can say so myself. So I hope you all liked what I cooked in the kitchen, and I will see you guys next time.